Welcome everyone. In today's video of Tech It's Simple, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the investing.com app on your mobile device. So let's get started. For this, you need to open your Play Store. Just open it and then in the search bar of the Play Store, search for the keyword investing.com. As a result, you can see the icon of the investing.com app in the search result. Simply click on the install button. As you can see, the download process has started in my device. It needs some time to get installed on your device. Just have patience. As you can see, the app is installed on my device. Let's check it out in the app section. And there it is. The app is installed and the task is complete. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.